Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Leland double action mixer, very noted for its double action between the paddles and the ribbons, which travel in opposite directions. Has a safety device on it, which when the cover is open will not run. We can actually bypass that by just using a screwdriver to depress the little arm which is connected to the cover mechanism. It operates on 120 volt single phase. Features a tilting to manually tilted to dump mixing chamber. As you can see, it's all stainless steel. This is considered a food grade unit. It also usually they don't have this. It does have a center bottom discharge, which is 1.5 inches with a tri-clamp connection. 120 volt, like I said, nice and easy to operate. Low profile stand, and this is how it comes from the factory. The small handle you see in the front here is for tilting the mixer. This releases the little catch mechanism that allows you to tilt the chamber over. We have lots of mixers and blenders in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today. See you soon.